From The Ascending Way by Merlin, presented by Eleazar Harash. Be a seeker. The true seeker roams in the darkness and does not get lost. The true seeker penetrates into the darkness and does not get lost. The true seeker roams in the light and does not get lost. Who is the true seeker in the person? This is the ancient spirit within the person. It pervades the darkness. It pierces the light. It enters into the fire. It swims in water, and it always remains whole. It is before the creation of things. Darkness, light, fire, water are consequences. They are secondary. And the spirit is essence. It is primordial.